Hey guys, welcome to the video today. So today we're going to talk about the concept of free money as an affiliate marketer. I know that seems kind of weird, but really what happens here is there's this undiscovered or untapped place that you can earn additional revenue in your affiliate marketing business, and most people aren't taking full advantage of it. There's this behind the scenes area, kind of this magical little place, if you will, where there's just money sitting on the table, and it's free money and it's easy money, and you really don't have to do a whole lot in order to extract this from your existing business. If you follow this channel or if you're watching this in the Facebook group, you're probably aware that I promote Legendary Marketer. So I'm not trying to sell you on Legendary Marketer. You can promote Legendary Marketer if you want. You don't have to. It's up to you. But I want to explain really quickly what Legendary Marketer is. That way you can understand how this whole framework works. That way you can apply it to your business, or you can just simply copy what I'm doing here if you're already promoting Legendary Marketer. So with Legendary Marketer, they're marketing education, right? It teaches really people how to become high ticket affiliate marketers. And kind of the simple way I promote that, or the initial way I promote that, is with a bridge page funnel. And it looks a little something like this. Basically, I send all my traffic to the homepage. Well, when traffic comes to this website, obviously I give them a little spiel. I show them how they can live the laptop lifestyle. So this is pretty standard for most affiliate marketing, right? It's an opt-in page. It's a squeeze page, whatever you want to call it. The purpose of this page is to kind of pre-sell the opportunity, but also collect the email, right? So when I collect the email address, they are then forwarded over to a bridge page, which is really the second page of the funnel. So all of that is pretty standard for affiliate marketing. Now, on the front end, I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. As you can see here, it's been going pretty well. Now, the reason I promote this is because they have a whole bunch of products and they have a tremendous value ladder, right? Well, the object of the value ladder is to increase the lifetime value of the customers that I refer, but we can go a step beyond that, right? We can also increase the lifetime value of our leads internally. And that's what I'm going to talk about today. That's the free money, right? Because in most cases, we'll work so hard to promote Legendary Marketer. And that can be a very good business. As you can see here, just the Legendary Marketer alone, making decent money, right? But we can do better than that, right? And we want to not waste an opportunity. So, as we know here, after we collect emails, people are going to enter into our email list. And what we're going to do with these email lists is continue to follow up with them, right? We might offer additional value. We might try to overcome objections. We might show social proof. But in the most simplest of terms, one thing that we're going to do, or the most important thing that we're going to do with this email sequence, is try to sell whatever front-end product we're promoting, right? We're trying to promote Legendary Marketer because we know most people are not going to buy on the front end, right? On the first go-around. So once again, all very standard. However, what we can then think about is other things that people might need if they're going to purchase our front-end product. So for example, when people are going through my email list, right? We know that people are going to be interested in getting more traffic, right? Like that's what all affiliate marketers are going to be concerned with in most cases, right? So what if we offer them another way to get even more traffic, right? So that's what I do. If we look at the second email that goes out to anyone who opts into my list, right? This goes out 4 hours after they opt into my list. Basically, I'm sending them an email that says, what do you think? Do you have any questions? Trying to get people back into Legendary Marketer. However, if you scroll to the bottom of this page, you're also going to see this little bolt-on footer that says, hey, you need unlimited free traffic and leads? Supercharge social media with the profile traffic formula. Now, this is a very relevant product to people who are already interested in learning high-ticket affiliate marketing because they're going to be heavily focused on getting traffic, right? That's what a lot of beginners struggle with. So if they see this as an opportunity to get unlimited free traffic and leads by supercharging social media, they're likely to go check this out. And what you can see here is if they click on this button, remember this is an email that's already going out. This is an email that's already written. This is an email that's already selling the initial core offer. But if they click on that link, they're going to be taken over to this page, which is one of my product pages. This is a product that I sell, and it's a blueprint, and it's only $7. And basically, it's how to turn your Facebook profile into a powerful machine that generates unlimited free traffic fast. Kind of show them the process. I show them the social proof. Talk about how this works. We have plenty of reviews. Once again, it's only a $7 product. Show them exactly how it works, how they can drive free traffic. This is basically my sales page for this product that only costs $7. But of course, after someone says, great, I need this, right? Because they are obviously interested in this because this offer is related to my core offer. They're going to go ahead and go to purchase this particular offer. However, this is a two-step checkout. So when they get to step 2 of the checkout, what you're going to see here is right when it comes time to enter their credit card number. Obviously, we have the Profile Traffic Formula Blueprint for $7, but I'm also going to offer an additional product as well. And this is one way to get your first or next 1,000 followers on Facebook if you have a new or existing business. This is a simple viral posting system, right? So that's the next step. And this is an order bump. And if they say, yes, I want this too, that's going to take that and add that $37. Now this comes to $44 on the front end that people are paying me. Once again, this is my product, so this is not an affiliate commission. I get all of that, less the fees associated with charging credit cards. So that's an important step. Let's just revisit that really quickly. So we're sending emails. We know people are interested in affiliate marketing, so we know they're interested in more traffic. This shows people how to get traffic using their Facebook profile, because what we're going to do is we're going to teach them how to funnelize their Facebook profile. Well, in order to get more views on your Facebook profile, you want posts that go viral, right? I think hopefully that's a pretty easy to understand concept. So that's the next product in the offer, right? So we're taking people and giving them everything they need, but we're also increasing the average order value of the customer. Not everyone's going to purchase this. Once again, we're talking about averages here. Well, after they complete their order, whether they took the 1,000 follower upgrade or not, they're going to be offered this masterclass as well. It's another product in the funnel. This is a one-time offer. This is an upsell. Basically, there's this little video sales letter and talks about this masterclass, which is 30 videos that teach them how to do all this cool stuff. And if they take me up on this offer, they want to add this, they get it for a one-time payment of $197. So now we're increasing the average order value of the product again. Now, in the back end, inside ClickFunnels, this is all built on ClickFunnels. This is what it looks like. You have this two-step order form, which is the home page I showed you. You have the masterclass order form page, which is right here. You have a confirmation page. You have this membership area where all of this information is hosted, right? Where this course is hosted, right? But this is just, once again, free money because we're focused on promoting Legendary Marketer on the front end, and that's going very well. But the people are going to need traffic. People who are interested in Legendary Marketer are going to need extra sources of traffic, or at least they're going to want some. That's what this product offers, and that is where the free money comes into play. Now, the best part about this, I didn't create this product. So I white labeled this product, and basically what that means is somebody else created it, this guy right here, Blake Newbar, and I just got to use it. I got to put it on my own domain name. I got to brand it to myself, right? I came up with Profile Traffic Formula. When I charge credit cards, it goes into my Stripe account, right? This is hosted on my ClickFunnels account. These trainings, right, that are inside the membership area, right? These are trainings that Blake Newbar himself and his team, they created, but I get to white label them as my own. And you can see here, if you go into the dashboard here and we get a quick preview of this, when someone purchases, this is what the dashboard's going to look like, right? If they just purchased the blueprint, they're going to get access to this module. If they got the order bump, which was the 1K followers, they're going to get access to this module as well. And if they purchase the masterclass, they're going to get access to all of these videos as well, right? But the cool thing is, when people are also going through this, I can also place my additional affiliate links in here. So for example, let's say someone purchased this and they haven't got ClickFunnels yet because they want to start with the traffic portion. They want to optimize their Facebook profile. Well, this is going to talk to them about setting up with ClickFunnels. Guess what? Because this is my program that I white labeled, right? I didn't create the trainings. Blake Newbar is the one who created the trainings. I just white labeled it. But when they click on this button to go get their ClickFunnels 14-day free trial, that's my affiliate link in there. So it's going to increase the average order value again, right? And once again, I didn't have to create any of this. All I had to do was partner up with Blake Newbar. Then you get access to this where he gives you step-by-step how to actually set this up. Gives you all the templates. It gives you funnel add-ons, free upgrades, all the cool stuff that you need to launch your version of the profile traffic formula, right? Plus, when you join this, you're also going to get access to optimize your Facebook profile as well. So it kind of cuts the step, right? Instead of purchasing, this blueprint from me and then purchasing the viral post template from me, right? And then purchasing the masterclass from me, because you bought into this and you're white labeling, right? All of that you can white label on your own, right? Just like this. You get access to all that too. So instead of giving me 197 plus 37 plus 7, you just invest in the program. You get access to everything. Plus, you can also then sell this to other people who are already interested in more traffic, right? But it doesn't end there. Because after people purchase this from me, right, they are entered into a specific list inside my autoresponder. And if we go back to the workflow section here, and you can see once people purchase the profile traffic formula, doesn't matter if they purchase just the blueprint or they purchase the whole thing, I'm going to put them into an additional email sequence where I give them the opportunity to then buy into Blake's partner program as the bigger opportunity, because every business on Facebook needs to know what the profile traffic formula teaches, or whatever you call it, right? Because you're white labeling this as your own. Does that make sense? So when they go over and when they buy into Blake Newbar's program because they want to promote that themselves, I'm going to get a commission of that as well. Hopefully that makes sense, right? So it starts with buying into the program, then you put up your program to sell this, and then you invite people on the back end, people who buy it, to then do it themselves, right? Because they're going to already understand the importance of this because they bought it first. So they're going to be highly likely to convert into sales for the partner program. That's where you're going to earn the commissions on the back end. Once again, we're increasing the average order value of the customers or the leads, right? And once again, we're only promoting Legendary Marketer on the front end, right? Like all our content, all our ads are promoting Legendary Marketer, but this is how we maximize average order value or the lifetime value of the customer. So if you're interested in that, just go over to brianbrewer.com/DFY and you can get more information about Blake's partner program. It's just a free presentation. There's no commitment right now. There's a little webinar by Blake where you can learn more about this and this opportunity. From there, you can decide if it's for you or if it's not for you. I'll go ahead and link that somewhere around this video. Once again, it's brianbrewer.com/DFY for done for you. But it's just a great way to add average order value or add lifetime value to your customers because you don't actually have to create the products. Yet they're fantastic products that everyone needs. That's the angle. That's the leverage. So, let me know if you have any questions about this, but hopefully this kind of paints a clear picture, and we'll see you soon. Bye now.